In this Oracle tutorial, we will learn what is system change number. So let's start. Many SQLs can run in Oracle database. These SQLs can be select, DML or DDL. When any of these SQLs run, the database converts the timestamp value to a number it can detect. This number is called system change number, SCN for short. System change number is used by the database to ensure data consistency. This number is increased at every commit. If one event has a lower SCN than another event, then it occurred at an earlier time in the database. Every transaction has an SCN. For example, if a transaction updates a row, then the database records the SCN at which this update occurred. Other modifications in this transaction have the same SCN. When a transaction commits, the database records an SCN for this commit. When a transaction modifies data, the database writes a new SCN to the undo data segment assigned to the transaction. The log writer process then writes the commit record of the transaction immediately to the online redo log. The commit record has the unique SCN of the transaction. Oracle database also uses SCNs as part of its instance recovery and media recovery mechanisms. I recommend you to watch the next Oracle database lessons by following the playlist. To support us, you can subscribe to the YouTube channel and like the video.